I don't have the Motherpeace Tarot by Vicki Noble and Karen Vogel, and I don't have the Mandala Tarot. I do have the book on that, but so let's use the Russian Sybil Oracle because we're talking about round decks there. So there's a huge difference between intuitive and thoughtful. An intuitive would not need to see the cards, our people, our situation, to interpret the same. The format of the Motherpeace Tarot and the Mandala Tarot is something that one might think would be more common, but I've never actually touched such a deck. I mean, that all the cards are like little discs. You would think that the backs are holding a dinner, but it is really just what is left at the table when I go to a buffet. 6 bowls around on a table anyways. So we see here the zodiac signs of the Russian Sybil Oracle and in full color. Let me give you clarity for a second. That sticker is not from the price tag, I think it. But anyways, the Fool reminds me of my visions of the 1st and 12th Enochian authors. Magician reminds me of Osiris as a hunter myths. High Priestess reminds me of menstrual huts. Empress makes me think of high society. Emperor seems to be a Roman general. Hierophant is a Teutonic bard. Lovers is a Greek wedding. Chariot is an Amazonian woman. Justice is an oracle. Crone is a woman bereft of hope of further family. Wheel of Fortune is an attempt to symbolize the cycles of years. Strength is an extremist naturalist. Hanged One is the visions of the dying. Death is the forgotten victim, but not the spirits. Temperance is the elemental hallucinations of witchcraft. Devil is false claims to religion. Tower is the prophetic preacher. Star is ritual bathing and anointing. Moon is pursuits and the focus on women. Sun is exhibitionism and the observance of expressions. Judgment is imposing variety. World is trying to help others have an experience. Swords define the scene. Daughter of Swords has an idea. Son of Swords figured out what his goals are. Priestess of Swords is in a position to delegate. Shaman of Swords is beyond definitions. Cups is the focus on something externalized, which is supposed to be internalized. Daughter of Cups is ready to receive. Son of Cups practices methods of attainment. Priestess of Cups begins to feel the situation for what it is. Shaman of Cups controls his emotions. Wands are active factors of change. Daughter of Wands knows her life can change. Son of Wands has started a family. Priestess of Wands brings things together. Shaman of Wands acknowledges the past ages carry on into the current age. Discs are an emblem of peace. Daughter of Discs affirms sacredness. Son of Discs works towards his goals. Priestess of Discs teaches her family. Shaman of Discs defines a tribe. So the 2 through 9 are basically like the regular pips here. But the ace is considered one of the higher cards, and we got other cards, but we got powers and kings and vassals. Don't remember the ranks, but each of the cards is organized. See, there's a different symbol for each of the... Oh, it's a messenger. There's more official meanings, but we can look at that. Oh, Tree of Life is the 7. So 9 pip cards and 9 other cards and 4 suits. Very interesting deck this was, but it's been quite a while and I don't know what the scroll's supposed to say. Is that supposed to be Hebrew or something? But thought that was an important one for me to share from.